Okay, today we're opening up this LED flashlight. They're super bright. Always be mindful of that. Don't shine it anywhere near your eyes. Pay attention. All of that. So you unscrew from the bottom to put the battery in. Your battery does have a clear plastic coating above or on top of that blue coating. You want the blue coating to stay intact, but you want to remove the clear plastic coating. So just carefully do it with a scissor. So screw that back on. And there it is. You've got a couple of brightness, you've got flashing, and different variations here. You've also got your charging input right here as well as a USB. Yeah, nice weighted flashlight. This is actually really cool too. You have the ability to zoom in and zoom out to make it a bigger or smaller circle of light. Oh, really cool. I like this a lot.